Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to set up two-factor authentication in the Snapchat app. First, let's open up the app. Here it opens up in the camera. From here we just go into the profile menu, then tap on settings. And here if you scroll down a bit under my account, we find two-factor authentication. And here we can tap on continue. And here we can select one of these two options. It's either SMS verification or authentication app. And yeah, either way we can link the authentication into one of these ways, so we can be identified through SMS or through the authentication app if we have, for example, Google Authenticator installed on our phones. So yeah, that's pretty much it for this video. Hope it was helpful for you guys, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.